sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, and you walk, Doc. I want to know why you did. Who knows why she I've said, you turn your man. No, see the young cook. So, your stomach was out, said the young. Had been so as I become. A damn crying, meaning said, if you are being forcing, I don't know.
Test results naturally say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano hobetono.
Malake, anything at tomac. I'm my free.
Tinatet malake, eyama ubia wenya malaria fever. Ena tinatet tomac mixture, eyama ubia wenya indigestion. Yenshishwemo so wenya malaria and sana wafa edrui. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Yashasiye akaza. Ghana ha anase wiase awe. Se obi ka semfa ho na wama meyi ano a obi eni ho be ya no mo. Number 2 na fe akwakoye sasem na nipa no ka no aye no kre na Oheneba aje ni mako mamifa pipa ijo ohun me the red ink anatro needing. Na me beka sem bia kire no. Sa paper we ya me de ba be ko ba wi. Etram the red ink anatro needing no. Ensem bia akeka e ka ma joto ni na o paper iso. Debianum. Ghana ha ya yese obi asori a no aka semfun bia no okọ. Memfa say we nkire mo ansa. Matuaso. Someone Oheneba TV. Ano de me picture. Osu bempa picture. Nana Agradaa engege. Ano no ankasa. Ano de ato honum. Ana o kansem fun. Nsɛm a enim. Ede fa me ho. Afi waba se wa mo obi adin. Na wa mo obi adin me picture ya wo de akwakoto ho no wo pa kire sei. Eda no mo hwe ayi ne so. Oheneba TV ena wo hono. Eye video wo bo video na eye ya na we no airpop na airpop e wo so. Video no end ya sa picture we eda so. And you come and tell me say wa mo meeting. Number 1, was one in the team investigations. Who say a soft form peninphobia. But you a soft form peninphobia. Any gospel musician or bar, a nuclear politician, no year Juma or national security. I know mobile po a cocoche Agradaa. Waka? So my year investigations. Omiso mukita audio of the meeting. And I'm saying thank God. Some more audio. Me voice edemu. Me voice edemu. Into obiate me voice a. Sabe nipa na kata na nukura no te me voice a. Wo ye obi a wo tatie me a. Wo hu se Hopeson Adorye na kasai. No say wa momidi anwumre ya video bi oyeye wa momidi wa mo bi adin eso wa man ho time oba be bodin ni nyina. In the first place, female gospel musician in this country called Ghana Ben and a nuclear politician at the same time work at national security. Bakope etu bodiun wa modiun waka obi anim nipa awode. Until you cannot run away from that. Oheneba, you cannot. Me no atem. Yasin so share emfanipa. Insu nyunu enefa. Na dia me pese mi yenti enne mi yensu nyunu. Me ma me voice nkosruta, me ma me bumfuta. Me ni watem so da. We say we receive a lot of messages concerning Yena wabubo ye di ni say yes ye poko ye meeting. Eki kan sem bebre. Ma joto ni nyina. Number 1. Reverend Oheneba. Minkai the last time I share. But the last time I in the Kasaye was in September 2019. The last time I've been in the Kasa Ofonso, September 2019. Reverend Obofo, time I'm in the Kasa was November 2020. Benenin Kasa Ofonso, ebiem. Enti ahefa ani ehia ye kokoye meeting na wo se wo voice no ya se bibi besi bibi abc obi na bo no nyum wo se bibi besi Oheneba, what it you cannot sit on internet to talk about people and go scot-free. Me Oheneba, I am proud Votarian. When you go to my house in Achavi, Bronefeno Atiteti, ask of us. Ye din so book and temu dwario. Ye timi sense so book and temu ni aswa. What is Germany? At office of Wetri. Me do HV na near about 5 minutes. You drew Germany. What you say? Etinam say, me ni watem. Min kasentiao. I am giving you 24 hours from now. About 6:16. Ochina enumerate 6:16. 24 hours. Come and retract. Let the people know Sasemna Wokano a tro. Take my name out. If you don't do it, after the 24 hours, the next 72 hours, you will see what is in this world. I'm telling you. I am telling you. You can't ignore it. You can. What the upper guardians will find, just ignore it. Me say, I am giving you 24 hours to come and retract the statement. Say female gospel musician, kunu, our year politician, or year more national security. The whole country, all female musicians, will be anywhere, ni kunu, a year more national security apart from me. Unless you mention the name. Na me nko fani atu say eho adam ye adwuma ampa. But me name female gospel musician in this country. Anikunu a politician working there. Eti asem na kan what it you? What it want me amfra ho ntoma ye wa bie wo ho e de ato na sabi o wo betima tra o so obi antimi nkyere o ne wonye yes sanso no obi antimi nkyere me ne memenye entina se obi ko ba bi ko sama obi a ye hwe se hwan na di for hwan na di bem. Maybe crow muko samu will be a petition to abaco, a while petition to abaco 12 cities. Now, in 5 minutes' time from Achavi to Germany, near Drew. Men come from Bragg, men come from now. There is something I'm going to do. Because me must have the way enter internet so. Watching Sabi, me may be tear me, Nana no move baby say Nani papati, say Nani and Nanache. Me say, as I said, nipper who bibi. No who say, won't mean sorry keke. En kuni pedimase. En kasamon tuni paso. Just like that. Princess, sorry.
Hello.
So what you say? What you mean yes, I don't know. Look at this. And you do this and say, who will write to your content? Make me photo no was right. Sadi we yawai. Oheneba TV, who will make me photo so to me. So you have your right. Nobody can tell you what you should do. But ubetima fa me picture. And the akwa to a Yesu say, umo biadin. Me say one with rad, ya mayor no home. Ubon say we are in a soon. And soon come. I am telling you this. I'm telling you this. And nibre, and I'm a kasa, but my shada no maba from boko. Sabi, Jimmy Semno ya dosu too much. Ya dosu too much. Obeti abroche officer, what ya broche nti no obeti me gunipa ho fin, obeti ma kasem bia poto dia to obi so no woko free because woni Ghana nipa do beti ma face wunti no eno ano no. Me ba Germany a, me kita service passport. I don't need a visa to come to Germany. You know that. Me ba Germany, I don't need a visa. But when you're physical, me say I am giving you the opportunity. Oheneba aje Nimapo, this is your name. This paper with this red ink. After 24 hours, Sewama ama me withdraw and retract and apologize to me. You see the other side of me. You see the other side. In some phone ya do so do. Mr. Mo. Mpamjo, excuse me. Is he coming? I call back. Okay. Okay. Sorry, my name is Mansu Dim Komagata. Mr. Mo, what I am going to do, the next one, I am taking this to my lawyers. I have downloaded the video. We are going to send you to court. When the rate is ready, we'll publish it in Facebook and then tag you. It's a form of service. Yakona wama binya default judgment. I'll go to can I say CID. Apply say you found call Interpol. You found call red alert. We'll get you here. Uti Germany, for play say we'll call America, for play say we'll call you can say Holland, for play say we'll call Sweden. Wo beti ni omobe yon. So I am going to do that. Me ma obi ntina baabi en kansem fon fa me ho no wonko. Nkrofo bi ye bibi na kampese bi take action bi. Me wife kasaye ana mitie. Impedinfo bi kasaye ana mitie na me ye tin. Ana omo kan ni omo beka ana koye. Na nyese majimi o. But me di need ye e ma impedinfo bi. This one. Me say, nientia me say me yesa ni say. Asemo amiken. Asemo amiken. Me. Se mene osofo ousu bempa. Akasa na nse kra. Nka me nka mfa me ho. Se ebia ye di nkomo ne yekokan bibisa na. Me say September 2019. Amenene kasaye. Ye share face to face. Me refi. Tama ye share face to face. Face to face, very good. Aye tama apia stadium. Ekwa kaki kansem di Akufo Addo atem ni ade. A oba usu bempa ho a mene no. Ende no call can I say Madam Amabuzia Hodon. Look at that time. Face to face, mene usu bempa. And then you sit there and say, why your investigation? Na female gospel musician, nuclear politician, SIA Juma national security. What a thing. I'm telling you, Oheneba TV, what a thing. May yes, I will write formally to the embassy, German embassy in Ghana. What the middle by your no, but say, I am giving you 24 hours. That 24 hours come out, says as someone walk on and you pray. Je made me different. So when you're free, what the Joe can see. Joe can see. Ubeti maka asema phobia hu. But me dear, oh boy. Me. What dear? Oh, only muntia. Nanka sabi download ya family symbol be nanka me de now who said ye bush no no etie wo come back one wakon pia be dear me nye hypocrite me ye bibia me fancy Oheneba me say I am giving you 24 hours. Me masa you know na ye 6:16. Say 6:26. Eto akira number 6:16. Na se mente se waba be retract. Say ya. Oh dear, wow Betty. Akwava. Afena miraba. She, I am telling you, me say, there are series of things I am going to do just to set example. Say, won't you mean sorry and cut trash about people and then go scot-free. She, the first day, I'm sure. Now you were talking about Ashanti Kingdom. I enjoy what you were saying, and I'm saying, this guy, he's trainer woman. Then you come and sit down and say, why investigation? We are true for first class. First class. Say, who can be bia na say, it come as someone, me who say, a rubbish, a tro, a just a young crack. Me, wouldn't name me voice, make us say, what I say, would need to crana. Bao miss ubenyati. See me voice in change. Me voice in change. To say yakoye beating, ukita voice. Look, national security menye operative. National security no, ye wo department. Maybe wo external department. Ya no ya deal with abrochire issues. And this me cancel me come I say in every hole. Me no operative. Ya betchi obia operatives no and na take it that charge. Ya then so obia DBB wo abrochire ya hwe ya nyese ni ade no. Eho ana me wo. So get it right. Get it right. Nipa no catch say yakoye meeting na ya de wukita recording. We are proof for first class. I'm challenging you to upload the recording for everybody to listen. Make us all radio so TV so debia. Eti obia wo no watie me 1 2 3. Hey, my voice obo a obo say hope say na ka say. Ate na mo transe editro e kire nipa eto nipa so sa. Nyankopo ya adumo kina Sunday. Ghana time 6:16. Me komwa ma hu se waba be retracted the aspect say will be a female gospel musician. Ni kunu ye politician and then work at the national Mrs. Wama me yes adena me no Share. Share. Me nickname at the Bagraja. What is Bagraja say? Bagraja. That's a tefre. Tefre. Me who call me Groma or Muhumia Bagraja. Me rebu bomi. Me rebu bomi. When him love wa meti mako. Eti no obu bomi no. Hwe. Oheneba me say this one will set an example. Said your omode abaye a set example for Niamabia Kokoko no. I am going to use you to set example. Media my mouth opportunity within 24 hours when you come out to apologize, to retract, say, sa part no where you film, and no no cry, we free. I am telling you, me say Oko Porter, I didn't hear Bisa say, what dance idea, what can we say, oh, we edibim, we edifo. Ukwa himfie na sa okoko sama obi ohodoma. The same thing ani yehwe. Enye sa okoko sama nipa dinti ne say udi bim. Dabi. Ye betie both. Ye betie both. Ni akasa udi bim we di for. Sa na tie. Enti investigation a wo ye no. What investigation be kire me pa. Say wo koso aka say you stand by that statement, just for people to know. 18 and me yes a video way. Everybody should save it. Everybody should save it. Me a proud voter no. Me fa me tribe unsie. Me a proud. Oko voter regional. Me free baby miensa. Me free achiavi. Me party free agozome. Ana me ma me free povieji. Vous me pouviez find out about us. Find out about us. Etimidie, me catch row, me say, Oba bonting, oh, assembly me beka yeno. Mankani ye, me hwehwe mu no enye no kre. Eti that side no. Matwea sign. Hopeson Adorye, may you sorry say ebasa. We free. That record must be there. For the future generations. Who make a way fan to honum and make it a fact. Who get a fact? Metro baby a fact free. Metro baby a fact free ba. Except it says Sadia wabo enye Udia, wo ewo passport. Say where I can tell you tomorrow I can pull your passport and come and show you to you. Na nye meja onu ohun. Nye meja onu. She. Nyankopon ayemadom me nyi sa ejadwene na wo ma me bi. 52 years. And you take just some few minutes to come and destroy my image. I don't know free. Everywhere. Oheneba Jiwi, me say, me. That is one aspect. I'm going to do it. Number 2, remember me lawyers as early as possible. Up to a 6:16, mante unkape Edwada. Me lawyer go court in Temba. Till by 12:30. Let me see in office. Mama na prepare it. Ni a filing. Na ma scan o de na ma tag you on Facebook. Ayi. Ya be court. O free Germany ba fine. One bana menya judgment ni wia. Me the judgment no akosi agi headquarters. Na ma apply say Mufama Interpol. Ya pulu wa yina ya de to Interpol so ada obo say yes e wiase na so enso so wonkom wo de opa ya fa ne say wo Düsseldorf in can say now the far flight say wo ko Dortmund na hwe ne beto kalupre wo fa rupre bia mu wiase ase Unko baby a ube use passport. Ewo kumhasi. So me catch you. That is the opportunity my mom. Say the 24 hours elapse. What dear? Watch it and tell me say oh yeah or a joker. Kasachre me kabe me depa. Na me joku panjro. Me joku pa e di achro. She investigation na wo so kokoye no. Oboa unye ohu. What to Germany to us be investigation. The investigation. Investigation, man. Namo. What was the Nana Agradaa? Eti wado. Ufro biote baby. Eti the fufu biavena or body to muke cancer when was in my investigation. Share. Oh, with the surveillance but also. Oh. In some jockey can be reserved. Sansamuno. What's Sansamuno? But for your my download video now, at the two me pen drive so. Yanko Pandum Obia over Papa say you the piano, o case one, o bone say, Sadiway. Abahon. Say Obia who me picture. Say our honum. Now, Osha picture we. Na utie in somewhere walkana. Do you need him to say Hopeson Adorye? Do you need him to say that? Who's one more softening? Na what this sofo or so ben part to her saying? What can say we are? Say, obi here say, o boss suffer to bemba. Sabio, what do you know from Gagra? I tell you. Our from Gagra. And I heard you say, we are journalists. Really? Really? We are journalists. No journalism na kau Gagra. I kau Gagra. What is Germany? Sad you practice journalism in Germany. Huh? Sad no more practice no. Eti me di masem no bawie. Men shada enche. Maka me de fax na to. Me se enye no kreda. Ye kokota ye betima makota she. Se me network am yusu, osu bempa network o yusu. Court share network to bring the you can say your call records for court to ascertain. Sabine nakasa. Audio crowd was a war ye meeting. Not me, but you see, say a madness. Say a security meeting. Our more prania property will be a recordo. Yeregodo. Find a dinner phone grab you. Share. What you average our movies are much average. Average in that hobby. In that hobby. So, yet in that hobby. Eti Misramu. Sansam way. Me the best set example. Amma in sim who say a torture. Misheda Bibia Muno Bible class ma opportunity. Masheda and my opportunity. When you come out to retract and apologize to me, I will drop it. But if you dare say yes, what's up now wakano, wujitum any idea, we shall all see. We shall all see. Bisa obi bia say BBC na obi at the red ink etro udia ase chere sen bisa last na wo kan himfia semti me ye sure pa se wonnim amamre mu pa bisa sa pipa ye kitami eno ana me de kwasa ma wo me resi da bi so eno ana me eno kwa de me ne nya adwene ho we ana me de kwa chi abi no Yes, a female gospel musician. And you couldn't be a politician. As I do my national security. I mean, sir, what do you know the hope? How can you say this? Anna, what's you whom for so crack? Anna, me move be adding, we move be adding. But I'll bet you made them a picture up to and yes, sir. Musician than a wild politician. I saw a woman and today, you know. Oheneba, what there? I will find out. State crowd also in Germany. I will find out. All major cities in Germany, meaning baby, meaning major cities, and they know. They know. Meaning, just say, matching all the major cities in Germany. Smaller ones on some katrapa. And this word, Europe, matching katrao. All the 6 continents in Inano, Makubiaso. Let it be so. I am giving you this opportunity. I don't want you to stay my name. Me a politician. Etina man kwanko shia armed robbery. What you say? Etina man kwanko shia no. Anna, adwuma na me ye ediama this country no. I am very sensitive. Utima metra ayuso e make cancer hunu na wonfa wo hundi enko just like that. What na se 1 month na wonko tie fida ubo nse bibi o wiase. One me nyaaju no. But na se 1 month no wonko tie fida. Alene de anya din o. Ya me touch review sisi ana no nso gusa no ana no. Hey. Yeah, video about UK. Candy. What we say, Oje. Nyanku Punchram. Adofwa ewo so hwe nyina Nyanku Punchram. Yeah. Mon kantre Oheneba TV say me say mamano 24-hour ultimatum to retract and apologize to me. Others, you know, feel say omo de omo nka ho hwe a me ni problem, but media, you have to retract my part and apologize to me. Nanka internet no so. Enye sa. Udi obu. I will take the legal action. I will take the spiritual action. I will take any action that I need to take. Oyenba, me say sa udi we. Wo metima mom ayibi magic business here. Wo dem ma mechira. Upa inbox me. I will send the biodata of your passport to you. No who said nipa eni agro, nipa nte hakeke. So ati. Be da mu nyina ase, Nyankopon hyira mo. Ni omo keka ikade nyina no tro. Number 1. There is no meeting between me and Asofo bi say yenkonkochi Agradaa na se yenkonkuku di TV. I am not in charge of NCA. I am not in charge of NCA. NCA for your moduma, me fama meshemi. His arrest. Omo can say because of ritual nyoma bia ekokoso. Na kaswa boys na echichi womo no. Womo abubo nkrofo bidin aye peki womo one by one. Eti memfa bibi ma meshemi. Eti mawie Nyankopon ya adomo a ochina 6:16 na ultimatum naso mesaba betena ha sei so waya mama hu ameka wonya mama hu ya Monday obi abetemenga. God bless you all. Yadamu nyina say.
Sorry. Oh, doc. Esa waba. Enyo boko doc. Awana no ayedin. Hu nyina so ayehye. Afise aduane ton yema. No se ne yemu ye no kukuru. Nso onya stomach osa sedenyo. Heartburn so asa be ka ho. Edem kra ni minim se fia be ifo so na ye no I don't know.
Test results na chere se we nya malaria won moji.
Eya TD.
Yes, malaria. Na ni yem no so we no hia. Tinated stomach na tinated malake. Fama no na no ho beto no.
Malake, anything at a tumak. Mama, free.
Tinated malake, eyema obi a wanya malaria fever. Ena tinated stomach mixture, eyema obi a wanya indigestion. Yenhwehwemu so wanya malaria and sana wafa edroi. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.